What's going on YouTube? This is Tom, and today we're doing an unboxing on the Frigidaire countertop ice maker. So let's take a look and see what's inside. As you can see, it's really packaged well. There are the instructions. And you can see it's really packed tight. The unit weighs about 25 pounds, so be careful when taking it out the box. It's wrapped really well, and as you can see, we're going to take the wrappings apart. Take all the plastic off of it. And there you have it. There is your ice maker. Want to show you some of the components inside. First thing is the ice scoop that it comes with. And you want to look inside and make sure that you get all the tape. A lot of the components are taped together, so make sure you get all of the packing tape out of there. You have to look really good. It's this clear tape that they use, so you got to make sure it's. There's the ice tray. That's where the ice is collected once it's made. Making sure you get all of the ice or all of the tape out of there. Put your tray back. Close your lid, and want to go over the touch panel up there on the top portion. It's got the add water, ice full, power selector. That's your add water, ice full, and you can choose from small or large ice. That's your touch panel. So what we're going to do is we are going to find a spot to put this in, and we're going to fire this up and see how the ice is made. There's the bottom drain to drain out the excess water. There's where you pour your water. There's where the ice is collected and shoveled into the ice tray. And here we go. Put in your ice tray, close your lid, and power on. You should see a blinking light, and you're going to go ahead and select either small or large. We're going to start with small and see how the ice. And as you can see, the ice tray is full. There's a red light that comes on, letting you know that the ice is full. Of course, it stops making the ice. And there's the tray. It is definitely full.